All right, so all the body work's done. I skimmed the inside. You could see, you can't even tell it was fixed in here. So I'm gonna prime that hole inside, nice and clean. And then we're gonna hit the outside with 2K primer. But I'll do that after I get the other side done. So we're gonna let the truck down, spin it around so that I'm back on this side because the lighting and everything's better here for me to work on it. And then we'll start doing the other side. But as far as that, that's it for this side. Except for priming it. And then we'll just sand it down a little bit. Sand the primer down, blend it in. And then we'll be able to paint it. I got the paint at Andres. I just dropped off the gas cap so they can match up the paint. This is black, but it's got some kind of metallic or something in it. So
it looks almost like a greenish
metallic. So we're gonna make sure we get the right color to blend it in. All right, so one more coat on the inside of this stuff. And again, we use that right there for the whole inside where the bare metal and stuff is. And then we'll prime it. All right, so that's for the inside. All nice and done clean. Can't even tell it was fixed. Okay, so that's that. We'll let this thing down, turn it around. All right, got it all in primer. Everything looks good. Wait for that to dry up. Start letting it down and turn it around.
It's a Jeep now. Ain't got no doors.
All right, so we got it turned around. Same thing on this side. This side actually looks worse. Okay, and then on the inside, same thing. So we gotta fix that rock right there. All right. On this side, it's only in the back, so we're good. All right, I'll start cutting it up. I'm not gonna film this whole side. It's basically the same exact thing. I'll just show you when it's done. So we got this side all set, all in primer, and we're done with that. So tomorrow we'll end up painting it, taping everything off, paint it, clear it, good to go. Get the doors back on, still got to put the doors back on, put the bed back on, put all that back together. So gonna do these, just get ready for a lot of work. All right, got the place all cleaned up, let the truck down. I was sanding it with some 600, get all the grit off of everything on the sides. We're gonna paint all the way up into this line here, like that, so it looks clean and uniform. The 600 is just to break the gloss, give the paint and the clear something to adhere to, and we should be good to go. All right, I'm gonna go up to here, tape off this up to here. I'll show you what it looks like once it's taped off. I gotta go sand the other side, and we'll do it. All right, so that's how much you get taped off. So everything exposed is going to get black and clear. Right, same thing on the other side. All right. And we're going to throw a plastic sheet over the whole thing cover up the doors, cover up the rest of the bed, or the cab rather. And then we'll start laying some color on it. All right, we're gonna mix some paint. Shout out again to A&D Auto Body supplying paint for us. So I took them to Gas Cap, right? They match it up. He actually closed for the weekend, or actually he's gonna be open Monday, so you'll probably see this after that, but he actually stayed late and mixed this for me because he knew I was gonna paint it over the weekend. So appreciate that. If you guys ever need anything body work, body wise anyway, body supply wise, just go see him, ask for Andre. All right, so there we go with that. Get ready to spray. I'm gonna put you over here, you can watch the whole thing. Yep. All right, so it's black and it's got really fine metallic in it, so it's not just straight black. All right, you're gonna watch me paint. We're gonna put some paint on this side, and then I'll go do the other side, but I'll leave the camera on this side, so hang out and watch. All right, here we go. The tricky part is behind the fender, and you got to make sure you get underneath real good. Now what we do is we're going to shoot it and we're working our way up, and then when we get to the top, the reason I went up so high is we're just going to fluff it in, feather it in so it blends in with the old paint. We'll let that set up. We'll let that set up for a couple of minutes. Now you notice I didn't go all the way to the top yet, but the color matches real good. All right, I'm gonna do the other side. I'll come back and shoot this side again. All right, second coat. Alright, that's it. This color covers really nice, man. Don't ask me what kind of paint it is. I didn't even ask him. So, but if you go there, the paint that he gives you covers real good. We barely got any overspray, but man, the color is perfect, spot on, and the coverage is really good. So, all right, you go do the other side. We'll come back and clear this thing. All right, really good. So, really good coverage. Looks real good. All right, so we know we're covered in black, so I'm going to clean the gun up. Let that set up for about 10-15 minutes, and then go back over with the clear. All right, getting ready for some clear. That's the clear we're using on this thing. Okay, same thing. And A&D Auto Body. Go see Andre if you need clear. Shoots real nice. Here we go. Right. Same thing. Hit the bottom, work my way up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, there we go. Nice. Real nice. All right, we go shoot the other side. Let it set up for about 15 minutes. Hit them both again. All right, second coat of clear, last coat. It. All right, that's it. It looks really, 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 really good. Do the other side. Clean off my gun. Come back tomorrow. And come back tomorrow. Untape everything. Make sure everything looks clean. Start putting the doors back on.
Johnny.
Pick the front up. Alright, the doors are back on.
Beautiful.
The other side begins.
I gotta turn it around.
Nice.
Turn it around. get the bed back on, bolt all that back together.
All right.
All right, turn it around. And get ready to put the bed back on it. A little more. More. Keep going. All right. All right. So you are done, and done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. A long one, but
Got the tailgate to close now.
oh yeah, we fixed your tailgate too, because it must have been when you brought it over here. I saw it was tied up, and I don't know what happened with that, but so they took this cover off, and the latches were stuck. They were like gooped up with stuff. So now it shuts nice. Done. Locks up tight. All right. So that's the end of that. Talk to you in the next one.